Read me. Are electric vehicles our new solution to the fossil fuel crisis? Are electric vehicles our new solution to the fossil fuel crisis? Electric vehicles are considered as one of the solutions to reduce the use of fossil fuels and greenhouse gas emissions. As they run on electricity, they produce zero emissions at the tailpipe, and the carbon emissions produced during the electricity generation process can be minimized by using renewable energy sources. However, the adoption of electric vehicles still faces challenges such as limited driving range, high upfront cost, and inadequate charging infrastructure. Therefore, the transition to electric vehicles requires collaboration between governments, automakers, and consumers to address these challenges and promote the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.